For our components, it's absolutely key to be part of this IoT journey, because this is the engineers of today and the engineers of tomorrow.
Because IoT is going to be designed and delivered by engineers. As a service provider to engineers, it's important that we're seen to be part of this space.
Well, when you look at Europe, it's uniquely positioned because of their various cultures. And because of the various cultures, it actually pushes the boundaries of what product to service is really all about and looking at the end users. So I see that the factories in Europe are able to exploit this in different diverse cultures.
They shouldn't be worried about it, but they should be prepared for it. Sadly, it's a fact of life that factories, industrial control systems are being targeted. There's a lot of people out there with the motive to do this, so they should be prepared for it and manage the risk.
For me, it's been having access to all the different ideas and concepts that are coming from the European Commission, looking at all the projects that have been going, and the unlimited amount of ideas that you're exposed to.